let's talk about the basics of Shopify POS Lite. As a store owner, it's important to have a point of sale system that meets your needs. With so many options on the market, it can be difficult to know which one is right for you. In this short video, we'll introduce you to Shopify POS Lite and explain its key features. By the end, you'll have a better idea of whether or not Shopify POS Lite is a good fit for your business. What is Shopify Point of Sale Lite? Shopify POS Lite is a cloud-based point of sale system designed for small businesses. It's simple to use and can be set up in minutes. With Shopify Point of Sale Lite, you can sell products in store, online, and on the go. Plus, all of your sales and inventory are synced across all devices, so you can always stay up to date no matter where you are. Use the link below to contact an expert and get all of your questions answered. Shopify POS Lite features cloud-based software. Shopify POS Lite is cloud-based, so you can access it from any internet-connected device. This makes it easy to use whether you're in the store or on the go. Easy setup. Shopify Point of Sale Lite is designed to be easy to set up and use. You can be up and running in minutes without any prior experience needed. Sell anywhere. With Shopify POS Lite, you can sell products in store, online, and on the go. This makes it easy to sell to customers no matter where they are. Inventory management. All of your sales and inventory are synced across all devices, so you can always stay up to date no matter where you are. This makes it easy to keep track of your inventory and make sure that you always have the products that your customers want in stock. Affordable. Shopify POS Lite is a super affordable option for small businesses. Overall, Shopify Point of Sale Lite is a great option for small businesses who are looking for an affordable and easy-to-use POS system. It's a cloud-based software that makes it accessible from anywhere, and its inventory management features make it easy to keep track of your products. So if you're looking for a new point-of-sale system for your business, be sure to check out Shopify POS Lite. Use the link below to talk with an expert and get a free personal demonstration.